Everybody. Now don't go mad having a look at this code and think, oh, I'm never going to be able to do all of that, it's really terrible, I'm going to give up right now. Boo. Don't do that, because most of it is just copy and paste. There'll be lots of things, if you look at it, and don't be scared of it, there's lots of things in there already that you know. You know about import time, you know print statements, you know time.sleep, you know if. And the only new thing in here is ELIF. And we're going to make a really cool game where the end user is going through a creepy cave. Yours could be a haunted house or anything like that. First of all then, I'm going to show you how it actually works. So if I just run this module, and you'll see, welcome to the creepy cave game. Please make a choice. At each twist and turn of the cave, you reach the back of the cave, you can go left or right. Type L for left, R for right, in capital letters. Excuse me, I'm going to type L. A big dragon came and ate me. Bye bye. And the program ends. Not good. Okay, so I know not to go to the left. So this time, I'm going to go to the right and see what happens. So I'm going to type in R for right. Amazing, I carry on down a rocky path. I reach the end and there's a ladder. I can either go up or down. Which way to go? I think I'll go up. A fireball singes my hair and I scream, and it's game over again. Not good. So I know that I need to go down the ladder. So it's remembering now. Very good memory game as well. So I need to go to the right. Try that first of all. There's a ladder. I definitely want to go down because I don't want to singe any more hair. And that's the end of my game. Your game is going to go on a lot longer than that, obviously. So I'm just going to delete all of that out and show you from the beginning how to code your creepy cave game. First of all then, I'm going to import time so I can put some delays in. And then I need to print the instructions. So I'm going to put in, welcome to the game, to the creepy cave game. Can you get out alive? Okay, now we need another instruction telling them to type in capitals, because if you type in a lowercase l and an uppercase L, you don't need to know why at this stage, but they're very different things to the computer. They're not the same thing, and we will learn how to force it to be uppercase or force it to be lowercase a bit later on, but you don't need to know now. So what we can do is just put in, please type instructions, type directions in uppercase, either up, down, left or right. Okey-doke. So now we're ready to start. We need to ask them, first of all, a question. So I'm going to say print, you reach the back of the cave. Do you go left or right? Whoops. And now we need a little box to store their answer. Do you remember a variable? We did variables. So we're going to, I'm going to call this one back of the cave. So back equals input. A little storage box for that. Now we need to test that input. So we're going to use an if statement to do that, the same as you did in the last tutorial. If back equals, if it's going to go to the left, whoops, I'll just You can use single quotes, but I'll keep it consistent. If back equals left, then we want to print a dragon came and ate you. Bye bye. And then we want the game to quit. So this is a new bit of code as well. Quit, bracket, bracket. Simple as that. Now, I'm going to go back to the margin because I want what is called an ELIF. And what an ELIF is, it gives us another opportunity to test. So we're going to put on the ELIF, we're going to say, if it just means else if. If they've not typed in L, if they've typed in R, then it's going to be a different way to go. So if back equals R, then print you are safe for now. For now, little one. Okay, can you see all of that? I'm going to test it at this stage because I've finished that if statement and don't want to do lots of them and then test it and have loads of debugging to do. So what I'm going to do now is just run the module, save, and just check that it works okay. Now it's all gone a bit fast because I put in import time, but I didn't put any time.sleep. So reach the back of the cave. Let's see what happens if I go left. A dragon came and ate me. Bye bye. So I'm going to say okay to that because that's killed the program. And now I'm going to test it the other way. So run module, and that is going to the right. So you are safe for now, little one. Now I know that works, I can carry on just copying and pasting and asking more questions like, there's a ladder, do you want to go up or down? There's a lake, do you want to swim left or right? There is a mountain, do you climb up or do you climb down? All sorts of different things that you can do there to make your story interesting. So first of all then, I am going to just put in here, I'm just going to put the delay in because that's messing with my mind that that's not in there and it's going too fast at the beginning. So I'm going to put time.sleep, a couple of little delays in there. Okay, so that's the first one. I can go all the way up until I can find the next one. So it's here, you reach the back of the cave, do you go left or right? So I'm going to copy and paste that one. So the good thing about this then is now that it's been copied and pasted, all we need to do is change the question, change the variables and mix it up a bit. So instead of you reach the back of the cave, I'm going to say you see a ladder. Do you go up or down? And now it's not back because back was this one here. We need a new one for this one. Now as they've seen a ladder, I'm going to put in the ladder. So which means I need to change all of them. If ladder and then ELIF ladder. So I don't want a dragon to come and eat me now. What I want to do is I want to change the up for a fireball singed your hair. Ouch. And that's going to quit. And this one is if you go down, you are safe for now, little one. Carry on along the path, my friend. Whoops. And speech mark there. So I'm just going to test this and make sure it's all running as I intended it to. So we want to go right. We see a ladder. Do we want to go up or down? We're going to go down. And there we go. That is the basics of the Creepy Cave game. Of course, now that this subroutine, sorry, this if statement is working, you can copy that one as well and paste. You can paste that 30, 40 times and just change the variables, which is the name of the input, change whether it's left, right, up or down, change what is said in here and in here, and you can make a really, really good game. Now in the next tutorial, what I'm going to be doing is, instead of the game quitting completely and the person having to restart it, I'm going to show you how to set your game up so that you can either send them back to the last level, or send them right to the very beginning, or send them back to checkpoints, depending on how cruel you are. So that's in the next tutorial. Look out for that one. Have fun with the Creepy Cave game. Bye.